Aer Lingus today. We hope you enjoyed your flight and look forward to seeing you on board again soon. And don't forget to check out our website at aerlingus.com for our lowest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and private car hire. Pero mga de cordial, we have to release the news, known as Spanish Listener. Once again, thank you for tuning in.